If you're still trading time for money in 2026, you're playing the old game because right now people are getting paid while they sleep, not because they're lucky, but because they built digital assets. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that means and how you can start today. What are digital assets? Let's keep it simple. A digital asset is something you create one time and it pays you over and over again. Examples include online courses, ebooks, YouTube content, membership sites, digital products. Instead of working hourly, you build once and get paid repeatedly. That's how people are breaking out of the 9-to-5 cycle. Why this is the new wealth model. Here's the truth most people don't realize. The wealthy are no longer just investing in real estate. They're investing in attention and information. Why? Because digital assets have low startup costs, can reach a global audience, scale without increasing expenses. You don't need a building. You don't need a huge team. You just need value and a system. Top digital assets to start. If you're wondering where to start, here are 3 powerful options. 1. Knowledge-based products. If you know something, taxes, credit, grants, business, you can package it into a course or guide. 2. Content monetization platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are paying creators daily. Your content becomes your income stream. 3. E-commerce, print on demand, sell products without holding inventory. The key, start simple, but start now. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. Meanwhile, someone with less experience is building, posting, and getting paid. So here's my question. What digital asset are you going to create this year? If you want help turning your knowledge into income, drop asset in the comments or click the link below. And if this helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with someone ready to level up.